What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Beautiful people, good morning. Today I'm going to be making for you pumpkin punch. So I'm using squash and I'm using carrots. So I'm going to wash that, cut that, and put it to boil. I'm using 2 carrots. I'm going to add 1 more to that. Okay guys, so now I've added my 2 carrots and I'm just going to get enough water to cover that. And I'm just going to boil that. And then I come back and blend it for you. My pumpkin and carrots are cooked and they have cooled down. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend them. So I'm going to blend it just as is with the ginger, the carrot, and the pumpkin. You want to blend it until it's smooth. Now I'm going to blend my second set. Now guys, I'm gonna dump this out in my juice jug, and that's how thick it is going to be. So to that, guys, I am making my punch, so you do not have to use milk in this one. So to sweeten this, I'm gonna add a can of citrus blend. You can add an orange, you can add guava, you can add lemon, whatever you feel. But for mine, I'm going to be adding this citrus mix to this. Then I'll be doing about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1/2 cup of sugar. You sweeten it according to your liking. I don't want it to be too sweet. I'm gonna mix that. So this juice is for persons who do not like milk or cannot tolerate milk. You can mix it with sugar and citrus fruits. I'll do the one with guava blend for you another time. That is so refreshing. So this is pumpkin, ginger, lime, lemon, oranges, and yeah, that's basically it. So, all right, that is as sweet as how I want it. I'm gonna try that. We'll just try it in this little glass and see. Still thick, but it's a juice. Tasty, delicious. Guys, you can serve this over ice. You can serve it well cool as it is. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm. Leave a comment below. Tell a friend about my channel. Enjoy my juice. Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm. Cheers.